This was my backyard and still half is. And that is the tractor reclaiming the back half acre. We're gonna turn this into a farm, some sort of homestead, but we'll get it from the cabin, all this cleared. You know, this 200 feet of room that goes pretty much all the way back there. It is currently day 2 here at the WickerShire. The half acre we're working with to clear that out has changed dramatically, to say the least. So I don't want to talk here. I'm just going to flip the camera around and give you a view of the half acre, 3/4 acre that we've been working on. By we, I mean Clyde alone with his tractor. So prepare to be amazed at the massive amount of change one little tiny Kubota tractor can do. Thanks for joining this episode of the WickerShire Project, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.